Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Pacific Ethanol, and this is the long-term chart where you can see the stock has been falling down continuously from the highs of 2006 till the lows of 2020. But with the current move we have right now, it has actually moved up quite a lot. So we are going to discuss about that first. So let's start with that. As you can see that from the lows of 0.22 it went up by 4500%. So indeed it's a sharp and a very big move which the stock has shown probably in a very short amount of time. And as you can see, the lows which the stock has seen is 0.22. Now with this move, what the stock has actually done, it actually gone long way. Okay, it actually moved long way. Okay, here we have. So it actually moved very long way now and hits the resistance level which is at 11 point or $12 on the upside. Okay, so let me adjust it. 11.5 or $12 on the upside. So this is how the trend looks. Okay, this is how the trend looks, and this is how it has moved. So first of all, one should understand the, not in absolute terms but obviously in percentage terms, the stock has moved quite sharply. So if the stock has shown some kind of consolidation correction, so one should not be amazed of that. Okay, and some people do think that the moment I purchased the stock and I have invested, the stock started falling. This is a very common thing, but such people don't understand that while taking positions where the good risk reward lies. So for them, one need to understand that you have your first support at $3.88. So as you can see, you have your resistance at 11.5, and you have your support. Your good support risk reward lies at $3.8, which is nearly $6 or $7 on the lower side. And if it falls below 3.8, then obviously 2.54 or 2.5 will be on the cards. So these are the two important things which one should look at. Okay, and then you have your last support at 0.22. Now, even though the stock has fallen for the last probably 14 or 15 odd years, but the trend is very simple. Okay, the chart does not have any such thing which looks, uh, what you can say, fishy kind of things. But here you can see the trend is very simple. So this was your trend, and actually the stock went up and break this one in the year 2014, although it is a downtrending chart. So here we have, so here we can see that although the stock breaks the trend and it does moves on the another side, but yes, so here we have the trend. So this indicates the change in the angle. Okay, so this is a bit technical which I don't necessarily think that everybody would like to know, because everybody is important about that, how if it is going up, how long it will go on the upside, and where is the support level if it is going down, whether we can purchase it or not. Okay, so this is what one could see in this chart, and I have already told you about this trend. So there are two times where the stock has started moving, and probably this is the time where the stock has actually moved quite sharply and has broken some of the important resistance. And now it seems that probably if it holds, then we are looking for something big, if not big, something decent on the upside. So as you can see, you have your support level at important support level at 3.8, 2.4. You have your resistance at 11.5, And if the stocks moves and closes above 11.5, then you have your next target at $25. Okay, so you have your next target at $25. Moving on, if it moves above $25, then you have 42, further 92, then you have 127, and probably 264. So all these levels are very big, first of all, and secondly, this will take time. Now if the stock started moving up, you have your target levels, but remember that these are also your resistance levels. So if you are thinking that the stock will move up, first of all you should know your support levels and you should know where your goods risk and reward lies. Secondly, the thing is, what you need to do is put your stop loss. Okay, put a strict stop loss and trail it accordingly whenever the trend changes. And if I said that it can probably move up to 264, so there is no way I can assure that it can move up to here, or whether it will go, this is the end of the trend, whether it will go beyond 264, nobody knows. What we can do is, because the trend has started moving up very sharply, and if it holds, if it correction consolidation is a part of the game, but if the trend holds, then obviously what we are going to see is something, or the price trend will definitely look on the upside. So that's what we need to check, and that's what we need to observe in this entire scenario. And probably what we are going to see will be a trend or a level which will probably looks up for the time being, and let's see how far it will go on the upside. But let me tell you again that in this kind of scenarios where volatility are very high, there could be a probable scenario that the trend will change in the intermediate as well as in the long term. But till then, if this kind of actions will be taken when you have a certainty in the trend, and when it actually looks that it is about to make a breakout, so let the trend decide and then you move along with it. Do not jump into the first and then decide that okay, the trend will look like this, it will probably move like this, and you placed your bet and stock will move its own thing. Stock will move in its own way and it will do its own thing. If it matches with your thought process, then fine, otherwise obviously there will be a problem. So understand all these things. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.